Judgment delivered on 15th day of September 2022. Para. Accused person in the dock are facing trial for the offence punishable under section 143, 147, 148, 149, 323, 326, 336, 504, 506 of the Indian Penal Code in bracket herein after referred to as IPC for the sake of brevity bracket close, and under section 37 read with section 135 of the Bombay Police Act. Para. The brief facts of the protection case as emerged from the record are. Para. On 11/2/2005, Sri Vasant Lakshuman Patil was attached to Pachora Police Station as Assistant Sub-Inspector. At that time, Manoj Narayan Patil, PW number 4, came to the police station Pachora. He lodged the report Exhibit 74 against all the accused person. Para. The said report states that informant Manoj and all the accused persons are the resident of village Anturli. On 11/2/2005 at about 6:45 p.m. his elder brother Arun, PW5, was going to the call doctor due to disturbed health of his daughter Rutuja. At that time, from some distance of the house of the informant Manoj, accused number 1 Shivcharan hit the bicycle to Arun, PW5, from his backside. Suddenly, accused number 1 abused to the Arun in filthy language and started beating him with fist and blow. At that time, Arun, PW5, shouted "Palare Bhau." Hence, informant Manoj rushed to the spot of incident. There was shouting by both the persons. At that relevant time, Jaipal, Prabhucharan, Ramcharan, Sambhaji, Dilip came at the spot of incident having axe and sticks in their hands. Prabhucharan holds right hand whereas Ramcharan holds left hand of Arun, PW5. Jaipal beaten similarly, Sambhaji and Dilip beaten Arun with the help of sticks on his back. Blood was oozing from the head of Arun. He became unconscious on the spot of incident. At that time, informant Manoj left Arun and brought him at home. All the accused persons abused them in filthy language and their turn to kill. Thereafter, accused started pelting stones on the house. The said incident was seen by Ramdas Gangaram Patil and Bajirao Patil. Thereafter, Vishwadeep Praveen Patil went to the police station for giving intimation. Thereafter, sometimes vehicle of police came and through the vehicle police Arun took the medical officer at Pachora. Having primary treatment at Pachora, Arun referred to Civil Hospital Jalgaon for further course of treatment. Thereafter, the informant lodged report of the alleged incident to the police station Pachora. Para. The narration of incident resulted into the cognizable offence. Hence, on the said report, offence punishable under section 143, 147, 148, 149, 324. Read with section 34 of IPC came to be registered against the accused persons at police station Pachora. Wide crime number 20/2005. It is to be noted that the initial investigation was handed over to Police Inspector P.R. Kulkarni, PW14. He went to the spot of incident and prepared Panchanama of scene of offence Exhibit 56. Thereafter, the investigation of the crime was took over by DYSP Chandrakant Bankar, PW13. It is also to be noted that an offence under Section 326 of IPC and 135 of Bombay Police Act was later on added during investigation of the crime. It is to be noted that on 12/2/2005, Bankar PW13 recorded the Memorandum of Accused Jaipal Exhibit 85. Similarly, on the same date, he recorded the Seizure Panchanama of X Exhibit 86 under Section 27 of Indian Evidence Act. On 13/2/2005, he seized the clothes of insured Arun PW5 and prepared cloth Seizure Panchanama Exhibit 60. On 14/2/2005, he recorded the Memorandum of Accused Dilip Exhibit 87